Hey guys, welcome to Motorized 210. I'm Sean. Today we're going to be unboxing and testing out this pressure washer. Got it from Walmart. In my area of Florida, it was $88 plus tax. Less than $100. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's open it up and just see what we get. Remember, $88 plus tax. Okay, we got a bottle for soaps. Looks like the wand. We get some instructions. Looks like the unit itself. Open that up. Stop. Problems, questions. Do not return this to the store. Okay. What I like about this unit compared to the other ones that are taller is that these are a lot easier to, that is just easy to load. The ones that are taller, you know, the weight's at the bottom, the handle's up here, so this makes it easier. This thing is light. I like that. You know, this is more portable. Just trying to see the cable, how it hooks up. Okay, let's see what else we got. Looks like 20 feet cable, like it said. The gun, first impression, feels pretty cheapy. This will probably last a year, maybe, I don't know. It's got a good seal on it. It's got some brass, but it feels, I don't know, it feels cheapy. But, and then goes right there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we do have the instructions, but of course, we're not going to use those because we have experience and common sense on our side. Let's put it together. My first time doing this, so let me get the cable out of the way so I can see what's behind there. Okay, I'm gonna get the power cable out of the way. We got on-off switch. Why doesn't that fit? Hey, there's an adapter. Oh, need the adapter. Here we go. See? Common sense and experience. All right. It's got a screen on here, which is good because your water hose isn't going to really filter out stuff. Looks like it goes on this way. Try it this way. Down on tight. Screw that on. Okay, so I was wrong. This is the inlet. Tighten that up. Okay. Now we got your hose. Oh, that feels good. That one in there good. That's nice. Now I'm not using any Teflon or anything. I'm just hooking it up. If it leaks, I would go to Teflon first. Because I got them pretty hand tight. It's pretty tight. So it's got a screen in there too, which is good. Kind of awkward. You can't, can't tighten it like you want to, but it's good enough. There's a seal here too for the wand. This is the business end. Connect that on there. All right. Then it's got this coupling here. Not really liking that. I wish that was like one piece, but okay. Oh, it's two pieces so that you can use your Yeah, I guess it would screw on there. Yeah, if you want to use that foam stuff, which is cool. I'm not using that adapter right now. I'm just gonna use one of these tips for right now. See how it goes. There it goes. Quick connect. Put a piece of paper on there. All right, I'm gonna go turn the water on. Actually, I'm gonna connect it to power first. From my understanding, you always want the water to start first before you turn on the unit. Start fresh out of the box. So this is just like my other one. The motor only kicks on when you're pressing the trigger. So I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing, but the pressure seems pretty good. So we got some old stains here. Let's see how it does. Out the box, getting to work. Okay. We got another good one right here. Not too bad. All right. We got this big one over here. This one's about 3 weeks old. This is oil, fresh oil. I was just getting the surface dirt off first. Making a, not sure what it's doing. I lost pressure. Oh, there it goes. There you go. I'm about 2 inches from the surface. All right, y'all. There y'all see it. Just like any other cheap product, you know, it's not the best. It's not what you would want to use for a business, but it gets the job done. All right. Thanks for watching.